First of all,
I only build the weapons and sell them.
Gothic future. Okay. Gothic is
You know a soul assassin, drum roller coaster casket. Shots humming over passing while you running low and laughing. Tastemaker, making great paper, placed on 8 acres. Dots used to play us, now they wanna date rapists. Engine in the trunk, half a pigeon in my blunt. Told my story from the soul, it was vivid from the jump. Link quick with a legend, it was an epic fucking session. Lord and Uncle Muggs, Ram LZ is the progression. On the stage with a gauge, on his face filled with rage, and he still found the time to spit the flames off the page. This rap is archaeology, like crack spots and wallabies. I pray that when I'm gone, y'all people snatch my art and follow me. It's some vital information for survival in this nation. You're not safe until you arrive at your destination. The soundtrack was playing, the sound cracked the pavement. Paying homage to the legend while you pussy bitches hating,
Gothic future.
Ram LZ, Marks and Flick.
Gothic is
No matter how much cash or respect you gain, give some praises to your uncles, it's a nephew stain. Fuck what set you claim, fool, they'll let you bang. We gotta keep our bond strong and the rest will change. This is dedicated to the brothers that never made it. Never got they fucking heart out, the people never played it. Keep recording from the soul, it's more important than you know. Might save a nigga's life before you touch a little dough. Blind from the frame, it's a story behind it. Yo, these shots come and bang, don't get buried behind it. Lord.
Yeah, first I'd like to start off. My name is Fab Five Freddy. This is Ram LC. We are generals in the Urban Army. And